This video will describe how to switch from one device ID to another in the case of a replacement. Click on the Assets tab. Then click on the asset that you would like to edit. Scroll down to the Sensor section. Click on the three dots and select Edit Sensor. Select a new device ID from the list and a port. Click Save. Click Yes to confirm that you want to update the port. You may find that you need to switch from one port to another. There are a couple of additional steps you will need to do to swap ports if they are on the same device. Click on the Assets tab. Click on the asset that you would like to edit. Scroll down to the Sensor section. Click on the three dots and select Edit Sensor. Select Unassign. Click Save. Now let's update the port on the sensor. Click on the three dots and select Edit Sensor. Select the same device ID as before. Choose the new port. Click Save. When swapping sensors, you can only swap a temperature sensor for a temperature sensor or a humidity sensor for a humidity sensor. Here is how you would make this change. Under Admin, select Organization Management. Under Hierarchy, expand the locations until you reach the asset you would like to edit. Select the three dots to the right of the asset. Select Edit Asset. Scroll down to the Sensor section. Click the three dots on the sensor you no longer need. Select Edit Sensor. Select Unassign. Click Save. Click Yes to move to the next step. Click Add Sensor. Choose a name, device ID, and port for the new sensor. Click Save. Click Save Instance to commit to this change.